We can chill, we can smoke. Me and you, all alone.
Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of 12 days of press-ons. If you guys didn't catch my announcement on my community tab, basically I'm going to be doing the 12 days of press-ons every other day. That way I have time to post a video, make a new one, post it, etc, etc. I know I said I was going to be on top of it and like plan these out way in advance. It didn't happen that way, okay? Like things got busy, people were coming into town, holidays are happening, all types of stuff. I know they sound like excuses, but these are real valid reasons, so just bear with me. But anyway, we have a really cute set today. Or is it? Because whenever I was doing this set, I wasn't super thrilled about it, but y'all let me know how you feel about this one, because to me, I feel like it wasn't my absolute favorite, but I definitely have time for redemption because it's only day 2, so I had pulled some inspo from Pinterest and Instagram, and I was really feeling red today, so I went ahead and just made a really cute little simple short set. This is definitely something I don't do often on my page because I love just doing long nails just for the sake of the aesthetic and just being able to like show off the actual design. When you have more space, I feel like it just looks so much better on the nails. However, I realized a lot of my customers and clients, they really do like shorties, like anything that's like medium length. I feel like I get a lot of orders for those types of sets. So this one's for y'all. All the girls that like shorter nails, this one is for you guys. But I'm starting off very simple. I'm just going in with some glitter nail polish. It's a very cute red color. And I'm just going to do this French tip on a couple of the nails. And then the other 2 that I left blank are going to have a cute Christmas design. Of course, I'm going to do 2 coats of this just so that the color is nice and opaque. I really hate when I can see through the nails, and this is for some reason was like one of those polishes where you could see through even though it's glittery, but I just made sure I did 2 layers of that and then went ahead with my design. I'm actually feeling really in the Christmas spirit. I think partly because I'll be buying gifts this year for loved ones and just the idea that I have a lot going on this season. So maybe that's why I feel like a little bit more connected to the holiday. But like I had mentioned before, if you guys had watched my Halloween series, I was not feeling the Halloween stuff at all. And it's not even because I'm like anti-Halloween. Like I like that holiday. It's just the fact that like I wasn't in the spirit really. Like I just didn't see a lot of like, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. Like it didn't quite feel like fall even yet. It was still very warm here, things like that. But now, since it's December, it has been very, very cold in St. Louis. So that's why I think I'm feeling a bit more in the mood for this holiday season. And then also too, like I said, I'll just be spending more time with family and just be invested in more festive activities. Really quick right here, this is what I'm doing. I'm just going in and making this kind of like pinwheel effect on the nail. As you'll see here, I'm going to go in and make even smaller lines to go in between the thicker ones, but I just don't know how that looks. Like to me, it just looked like it was too much red and I wasn't quite satisfied with that, but this is why I wasn't like super thrilled about the set. So, and of course, it's a lot harder to get a feel for what the set is going to look like when it's on the nail stand rather than on your actual hand, because like 90% of the time I'll like dislike a design when it's on the nail stands, and then when I put it on my fingers it looks so much better. So maybe I was tripping, but honestly I just didn't like where I was going with this, but I was trying my best. But anyway, yeah, back to what I was saying. I feel like this season is feeling very festive so far, and I'm really excited about that. I have a couple of things that I know I want for Christmas, but again, at my big age, like I just feel like it's not that serious trying to ask for gifts from my parents. Like I actually just buy the gifts myself or just not get anything and I'll be fine. So I don't know. do you guys still celebrate Christmas the way that you did when you were younger? For some reason, I just feel like this holiday is like centered around being a kid, maybe. I don't know. Maybe that's just how I grew up and how I view it, but let me know what you guys think down below. Is this a every age kind of holiday, or is it really just catered towards the kids? Making some very cute and easy snowflakes here. It's literally the most simple holiday hack ever. As long as you have a dotter tool and a line brush, you'll be perfectly set to go. So I'm just making that on the nail really quickly, and I think it turns out so cute every time. And if you guys want to go a step further, you can even use like acrylic powder or glitter on top of that design, and it can make a really cute 3D design. So I'm gonna go in again on that other nail and do the same thing. And one thing about it, I'm very bad at outlining French tips, so that's one skill that I'm still trying to work on, but I think it was cute for the sake of this set. So coming back to this like peppermint nail, wasn't liking it very much. So as you can see here, I'm just going over those thin red lines and putting white on them because I feel like that would just make it pop a lot more, and it definitely did. Also, I'm just trying my best to go over it as thick as possible because I don't want the red to show from underneath. Granted, I'm the only person that's going to be wearing this set. I am not offering this to anybody because I just didn't care for it ultimately, but I think that it turned out fine for the sake of the video. Okay, like not super satisfied, but maybe that's just me being hard on myself, so I don't know. But yeah, once that is finally top coated and complete, here's what the final result looks like. I think it turns out pretty okay. Not my favorite, but I'll definitely be back with some better designs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys on Friday for the next day of 12 days of press-ons. Bye!
I know it's gonna be good.